Amman for us. Thank you so much for your time and your patience. Now, in light of these latest developments, would you say the battle for southern Syria is over?
It is over, and it's coming to the end. I think the only pocket remain is the Jaish Khalid, the ISIL pocket, which is between Jordan, Syria, and Israel. That's the area. And I think they will reach an agreement to go to, I think, eastern Syria, the desert area, which is east of Homs. So this is the area where otherwise they will be wiped off with the Russian air power and the Syrian forces. So it is almost over now. And by going to the Accord of 1974, the buffer zone, which is allowed the Syrian army to go to that area, that means the Hezbollah, Iran militia is there. Also, the Syrian Air Force can fly over the buffer zone according to 1974 Accord. So Assad regime on control of the southwestern Syria.
So that's the south. What about Idlib province in the northwest? We've seen evacuations in Foua and Kefraya. It's the only opposition-held territory left. And Turkey, we know, is the main actor in the north. Will we see more fighting there, or could we also see there some sort of agreement, as there was, it seems, with Israel in the south between, Russia, the Syrian government, and Turkey?
Idlib is 3 million people, and you get Hayat Tahrir Sham, which is the Nusra is there. And I think we might see, it's highly unlikely that we'll have a wide-scale operation, military operation there. I think Russia and Turkey will come to understanding with Iran also to dismantle al-Nusra, Hayat Tahrir Sham. And these people, they might be melted amongst the people there. So hopefully they will have, otherwise it's going to be a bloody war, and a lot of people will be killed. And that's mean also a lot of immigrants fleeing to Turkey, from Turkey to Europe, and that's Turkey will not allow, I think. So I think they will come to the understanding. We might see some, some strike here and there, but very limited. To put pressure on the rebel.
Ma'mon Abonawar, when you look at the picture militarily right now in Syria, do you think we are nearing the end of this conflict now? Are we going to see perhaps a political settlement very soon to the war?
It's far away from that, and I think Syria now it's soft partitioned with Turkey and the Kurds, the American in Eastern Europe, and the Iranian at the middle. So it is still, it's going to takes a lot of time to reach to any political settlement. And I think Trump told Putin, this is your crisis, just solve it out. But at the same time, holding a very wild card in Eastern Europe for any political settlement in the future to get Assad into table. Because there is Assad and the Russian made sure that there is no opposition to negotiate with them anytime in the future. And they succeeded on that in any way. So if the American left, that will be Assad back in control. But you get the Turkey in the north. So it's going to take some time to get it for any political. But any right, Geneva is out of question now. It's the Assanization of Syria plus Suchi to get any political settlement. Syria need a political solution, not a military solution. And the strategy, the political strategy and diplomacy of America and also other allied group insufficient to deal with that. And it's unfortunate we're going to see this for a long time.
Thank you for speaking to us.
Instability in Syria.
Thank you so much for your insight. Ma'mon Abonawar, a military analyst joining us there from Amman in Jordan. Thank you.